April 20th, 2010, an explosion occurred on the Deepwater Horizon oil platform.
The worst oil spill in U.S. history.
You could see that floating oil slick from space every day.
And what followed was millions of gallons of oil spilling uncontrollably into the ocean.
Well, it is almost unthinkable, isn't it?
This is a battle we're waging against an oil spill that is assaulting our shores and our citizens.
This video tells the story of the race to stop that spill. How engineers tried to plug a hole over 5,000 feet deep underwater. And I wanted to know just how much oil was actually lost in the disaster, and try different methods to better visualize the sheer amount of loss beyond just numbers alone. This is Deepwater Horizon Visualized. To visualize just how much oil was spilled, we first need some sort of measuring container. But ordinary containers won't do. So instead, we will be using the Empire State Building in New York City. Theoretically, it can hold up to 277 million gallons of oil. But to start off, our container is empty, as we look back to the evening of the disaster. On the evening of April 20th, 2010, everything still seems normal on Deepwater Horizon, with workers busy finishing up the borehole. What many may not know is that the Deepwater Horizon rig isn't actually an oil platform designed for extraction. Instead, it is a drilling rig used on new sites. Its job is to create the initial borehole and install a wellhead on the sea floor. And once that is done, it'll move on and another platform will take over for the actual extraction of oil. The well itself is finished. The natural oil and gas reservoir has been reached. And all that's left to do now is create a seal so that Deepwater Horizon can finally leave, so that a smaller, less costly rig can take its place. For this transition, it is important that the well is completely closed off. And so the crew members are carrying out a test to make sure that the well is ready to be temporarily abandoned for the transition between rigs. But all of a sudden, the crew notices a huge spike in pressure readings. This is bad because it usually indicates that oil and gas has unexpectedly entered the well. The crew then runs the same pressure test again, but it is the same result.